Oh yes, hi, back to my next video, my YouTube channel, sayanvlogofficial. And if you haven't subscribed still now, I want you to please subscribe my videos, my channel, and also hit the bell icon for more information about it. And please do like my video and watch my video. So today I am back with a new video, right? And I will be doing a unboxing video. So this time I'm going to unbox a phone, and to know about it you have to watch the video. Let me show you the phone at first. This is going to be the Oppo Reno 2Z that I'm going to unbox today, and let's watch the video.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
So let's start the unboxing right now, and as you can see, this is a Oppo Reno 2Z. As you can see the branding right here in the case cover, in the box, it's Oppo Reno 2Z, and you can see the branding here as well. It says Oppo. It's giving a premium look right here, right? And right here, as you can see, the specifications that has been given, the net content, that means that the box content in it says a handset, a charger, a earphone, one USB cable, one SIM ejector tool, one quick guide, and one safety guide, and a protected case. All right, so this time in Oppo we have got a protected case into it. All right. So it has 48 megapixel of the main rear camera, 8 megapixel of wide lens, 2 megapixel of micro lens, and 2 megapixel of portrait lens. So at the top we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone and a 16 megapixel pop-up camera. So we have the volume decrease and increase button, the volume rockers here at the left. So on the right we have a power button, the switch on and switch off button, and we have a SIM tray right here. So here at the bottom we have the stereo speaker grill, type C port for charging, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. So let's turn on the phone and see what's inside. So this is the case that has been given with the box, and it gives really a very premium feeling. And let's see how it looks after putting the case. Wow, it is giving me a very premium look, and it looks great. In fact, it is quite hard, as you all can see. Wow, it's a good nice case. I'm shooting this video right now at the rooftop, and I'm shooting this from the same phone, Oppo Reno 2Z, and you can see this is the selfie camera that has been given, and it is quite good, that you can see. And let me show you the rear camera now. Okay, so right now we are checking the rear camera and the stabilization of it. Looks quite good. Oppo has really worked on its cameras.